Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases of 2024. With new information surfacing almost daily, there's a lot to discuss. From groundbreaking image quality to innovative software features, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is set to take the action camera market by storm. One of the key selling points of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its next-gen sensor technology. According to leaked specs, this camera is expected to feature an advanced image sensor capable of capturing jaw-dropping visuals. We're talking about richer colors, sharper details, and enhanced dynamic range that could rival some of the best mirrorless cameras on the market. Insta360 has always been at the forefront of camera stabilization technology, and the Ace Pro 2 looks set to push boundaries even further. Leaks suggest it will incorporate an updated version of their proprietary flow state stabilization, which offers gimbal-like stability without the need for bulky external hardware. It's expected to come with a new touchscreen interface that's more responsive and intuitive, allowing users to easily navigate through settings, preview shots, and adjust exposure and other parameters on the fly. Additionally, the inclusion of AI-driven features like scene recognition and auto-framing will make it easier than ever to capture professional-grade footage. The Ace Pro 2 isn't just about internal upgrades. Its physical design is set to be a game-changer as well. Leaked photos suggest a more compact and durable build, making it lighter and tougher than its predecessor. The camera is expected to come with multiple mounting options, making it adaptable for any adventure, whether you're strapping it onto your helmet, bike, or drone. With the ever-increasing demand for real-time content sharing, Insta360 appears to be placing a big emphasis on connectivity. The Ace Pro 2 is expected to support the latest wireless protocols, offering faster transfer speeds and seamless integration with your smartphone or tablet. No camera is complete without a range of accessories, and the Ace Pro 2 is expected to have plenty. We're likely to see new modular accessories like external microphones for better audio capture, LED lights for improved low-light performance, and even battery packs for extended recording sessions. While there's no official word from Insta360 regarding the Ace Pro 2's release date, industry insiders speculate that it will be announced in late 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. See you in the next video.